Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Google Cloud Secret Manager for API keys, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Google Cloud Console. Navigate to the project where you want to enable Secret Manager. In the left sidebar, click on Navigation menu. From the drop-down, select Secret Manager. If you don't see Secret Manager, you may need to enable the API. To enable the API, click on APIs and Services. Then click on Library. In the search bar, type Secret Manager API. Select Secret Manager, click on the Enable button to activate the API. Once the API is enabled, return to the Secret Manager page. Click on the Create Secret button. In the Secret Name field, provide a unique name for your API key. In the Secret Value field, input your API key. Review your entries for accuracy. Choose other options as needed, such as setting labels or permissions. Click on Create to save your new secret. Your secret should now appear in the list of secrets. To access your secret programmatically, you may need to set up IAM permissions. Go to the IAM and Admins section in the left sidebar. Select IAM. Here, you can manage roles and permissions for users and services. Make sure the necessary accounts have access to your secret. Now, to retrieve the secret in your application, use the Secret Manager client libraries. Install the appropriate library for your programming. Refer to the Google Cloud documentation for code examples. You are now set to securely manage and use your API keys with Google Cloud Secret Manager. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.